Hey there, jet setters and globetrotters. Tired of nodding off on your neighbor's shoulder during flights? Fear not, because we've got the solution for you. The ultimate travel companion, the best travel pillows. Say goodbye to neck cramps and awkward sleeping positions, and hello to comfort and relaxation on your next adventure. Whether you're catching some snoozing on a long-haul flight or simply want to upgrade your road trip naps, these travel pillows have got your back, or should we say neck. So pack your bags, buckle up, and get ready for a snooze-worthy journey with the best travel pillows around. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. Number 5. Cabeau Evolution Classic Pillow. The Cabeau Evolution Classic Pillow is the best budget travel pillow for those on the go. Its U-shape and contoured memory foam core provide comfort comparable to higher-end models. The adjustable string closure allows for a tighter fit around your neck, perfect for smaller necks or a snug feel. Plus, it's the only pillow we've seen in stores behind airport security, making it easily accessible for last-minute purchases. You'll love the ergonomic design with raised side supports and a flat back that aligns your spine for ultimate comfort. The patented thin flat back also helps release tension in your back muscles, providing added relaxation during your travels. The washable cover is a game changer, ensuring your pillow stays fresh and clean for each trip. Plus, the earphone-friendly design keeps your headphones in place while you rest. One minor downside is the lack of a lay-flat back like some other models, but the comfort and convenience of the Cabeau Evolution Classic Pillow more than make up for it. In conclusion, if you're looking for a budget-friendly travel pillow that doesn't skimp on comfort or quality, the Cabeau Evolution Classic Pillow is the way to go. Check it out for yourself and elevate your travel experience. Number 4. BCOZZY Neck Pillow. If you're in need of a comfortable travel pillow that provides double support to your head, neck, and chin, then the BCOZZY Neck Pillow is the perfect choice for you. With its patented design, this pillow is a game changer when it comes to preventing neck pain and sore shoulders during long journeys. One of the standout features of the BCOZZY Neck Pillow is its 3 ergonomic ways of support, allowing you to adjust it to your desired sleeping position. Whether you prefer front, side, or a combination of both support, this pillow has got you covered. What I love most about this pillow is the perfect balance between softness and firmness. Thanks to the cozy microfleece and cool micro-suede fabric shell filled with bounce-back-down alternative, it provides ample comfort for your neck and head while shaping to your favorite position. A major advantage of the BCOZZY Neck Pillow is its flat back design, which prevents your head from being pushed forward. This sets it apart from traditional U-shaped travel pillows that can cause neck pain and muscle strain. While there isn't much to dislike about the BCOZZY Neck Pillow, the only minor drawback is that the carry case could be slightly more durable. However, this can easily be overlooked considering the pillow's exceptional comfort and support. If you're in the market for a top-quality travel pillow that is easy to carry, clean, and provides excellent double support, then the BCOZZY Neck Pillow is definitely worth checking out. Still searching for the perfect travel pillow? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. J-Pillow. If you're in need of a comfortable and supportive travel pillow, the J-Pillow is your perfect solution. This ergonomic pillow provides 3-way support for your head, chin, and neck, ensuring you arrive at your destination feeling refreshed and ready to go. Say goodbye to stiff necks with the J-Pillow. By filling the gap between your head and shoulders, this pillow prevents your chin from falling forward, giving you real neck support. Simply lean into the pillow and relax without any discomfort. Not only is this pillow great for travel, but it also has many other applications. Whether you're relaxing on the couch, watching TV, or taking a long car ride, the J-Pillow will provide the comfort and support you need. Made with soft fleece and perfect cushioning, this pillow is ideal for long flights. The portable design allows you to easily carry it in its own case and attach it to your luggage with a snap. Plus, it's machine washable for easy cleaning. What I love most about the J-Pillow is its versatile design and the way it supports my neck on long journeys. However, some users may find the pillow a bit bulky compared to others on the market. Overall, the J-Pillow is the best travel companion for anyone looking for comfort and support on the go. Check it out for yourself and experience the difference it makes. Number 2. Travelrest Nest Ultimate Memory Foam Travel Pillow. Introducing the Travelrest Nest Ultimate Memory Foam Travel Pillow, the ultimate solution for all your travel comfort needs. Engineered with thermosensitive memory foam, this pillow provides optimal support for your neck, shoulder, and head during long journeys, ensuring maximum comfort for chronic pain sufferers. With its distinctively angled back that stays flat against the seat, the Travelrest Ultimate eliminates any leaning discomfort, unlike curved back pillows that push your head forward. Featuring a plush microfiber cover and anti-slip rubber grip dots for stability, this pillow is designed to provide unparalleled sleep support during extended flights. Elevate your travel experience with this scientifically tested design that offers seamless relaxation wherever you go, whether it's on a plane, car, train, or couch. The Travelrest Ultimate comes in stylish gray and vibrant blue options, and includes a Velcro stuff sack and memory foam earplugs for added convenience. One minor downside to this otherwise exceptional product is its slightly bulky size when compressed, but this can easily be overlooked given its superior comfort and support. Overall, the Travelrest Nest Ultimate Memory Foam Travel Pillow is a must-have accessory for frequent travelers looking to enhance their in-flight sleep experience. Experience the ultimate in travel comfort and convenience with the Travelrest Nest Ultimate Memory Foam Travel Pillow today. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Trtl Pillow, the ultimate travel essential for those long flights. The unique design provides top-level comfort and ultimate neck support, ensuring you wake up refreshed after a deep sleep. The fleece-covered plastic frame offers unshakable support to one side of your neck while remaining comfortable to wear. The cozy wraparound fleece keeps your neck warm, making it perfect for anyone who gets cold while flying. One of the best features of the Trtl Pillow is its lightweight and compact design, weighing in at only 4.5 ounce. You can easily attach it to your backpack or luggage without feeling weighed down, making it hassle-free to carry around. Unlike traditional memory foam pillows, the Trtl Pillow is machine washable and fast-drying, ensuring it stays fresh for your next adventure. The internal support system keeps your head and neck in an upright position while you nap, preventing aches and strains. What I love most about the Trtl Pillow is its tiny, packable size that takes up about as much space as a PB&J sandwich. However, the cost is a bit steep compared to other travel pillows on the market, but the benefits far outweigh the price tag, especially if you value comfort and quality sleep during your travels. For the best sleep of your life while on the road, check out the Trtl Pillow today. That's a wrap! We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best travel pillows. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which travel pillow you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.